myself Dr. Ankita, Assistant Professor in RPIT Medical and Technical Campus Karnal. Today I will discuss about the parts for kidney. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. इनोवेशन में क्या बताया हुआ है? रीनल sympathetic plexus होते हैं the afferent fibers that travel through the renal plexus enter the spinal cord in the 10th, 11th and 12th thoracic nerve. दिस इज़ द डायग्राम. थोरेसिक नर्व बताई हुई है इसमें. ये सर्वाइकल है, ये थोरेसिक है, ये लंबर एरिया है, ये सैक्रल और ये गैंग्लियन है. इधर है जो लेफ्ट साइड में सैक्रल, जो ये येलो पार्ट दिखाए हुए लाइंस गई हुई है, ये है सैक्रल स्फेनिक नर्व है. ये इंफीरियर पोगैस्ट्रिक प्लेक्सिस है. ये लंबर स्फेनिक नर्व है. ये थोरेसिक स्फेनिक नर्व है. नेक्स्ट है फिर क्लिनिकल नोट्स, क्लिनिकल फीचर्स. क्रोनिक किडनी डिजीज. It is the preferred terminology for chronic renal failure. CKD is diagnosed by blood test for creatinine to determine the patient glomerular filtration rate. High level of creatinine means the glomerular filtration rate is falling, which means that the kidney's ability to filter and excrete waste product is inhibited. In the early stage of CKD, creatinine level may be normal, but urine analysis demonstrate a loss of protein or red blood cells into the urine. There are 5 stages of CKD categorized according to the level to reduce kidney functions and evidence of kidney damage such as blood or protein in the urine. The most severe stage is end stage kidney disease, ESKD, also called end stage renal डिजीज़ एंड CKD स्टेज 5 होती है. किडनी में डैमेज होने की भी स्टेजेस होती है, और जो CKD स्टेज होती है वो 5 होती है. Which is diagnosed with kidney functions deteriorates to the extent that irreversible kidney failure occur, requiring kidney dialysis or kidney transplantation. This is the diagram. इसमें दिखाया हुआ है glomerulus collecting tubules है, scar tissue है, डैमेज glomerulus है, डैमेज tubules है. ये नॉर्मल किडनी है और ये आफ्टर डिजीज़ के बाद किडनी ऐसे छोटी हो जाती है. उसके बाद है रीनल फेलियर. रीनल फेलियर में क्या? इट रेफर्स टू इनएबिलिटी ऑफ किडनी टू मेंटेन प्रॉपर फिल्ट्रेशन फंक्शन, एक्सक्रीट वेस्ट appropriately and to maintain electrolytes balance. There are 3 main stages: acute, chronic, now called chronic kidney disease as discussed above. The end stage acute renal failure, ARF, is the sudden loss of the ability of kidneys to remove waste and concentrate urine. It is usually initiated by an underlying cause such as severe dehydration, infection, trauma to the kidney, or the chronic use of painkillers. ARF is often reversible with no lasting damage. ARF is also known as acute kidney injury, AKI. End stage renal disease, ESRD, is the complete failure of kidneys to functions, or where chronic kidney disease has risen to the point at which kidney functions is less than 10% of normal. Chronic kidney disease above ESRF is also called the chronic kidney disease, CKD stage 5.